I'm going to be using our new weight lifter to remove the stick-on weights on this BMW wheel. Just letting you know, this is a replacement part and you can find it on our website in case this part gets really boogered up when you're trying to remove the wheel weights. Remove the self-adhesive tape that was left over from a stick-on weight that is on this BMW wheel using our new weight lifter. Just get up underneath that plastic, and fortunate for me, this piece came off in one piece. Most of the time you have to dig on it, but these are replacement parts. You can replace these if you wish, and it's 100% made in the US.